I'm going to perform a pre-trip inspection to get us ready for the Missouri CDL test. Before I start my vehicle inspection, I'm going to make sure I've properly chalked my tires. To begin our vehicle inspection today, we're going to start with the engine compartment. To begin with, we're going to be removing the pins to the deer guard, lowering our deer guard down. Okay, after that, we'll be unlatching the hood of the truck. All right, once we've got the hood of the truck open, we'll begin our engine compartment inspection. As I approach the front of the vehicle, I'm going to look underneath for any signs of leaks. I'm going to come around to the passenger side of the vehicle. On the passenger side of the vehicle, I'm going to begin looking at my passenger side general hoses, make sure they're properly mounted, secured at both ends, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and they're not leaking. Look at my belt-driven alternator. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All the wires are connected. The belt's not cracked or frayed, and there's between 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of free play. Now I'm going to proceed around to the driver's side of the vehicle and take a look at my driver's side general hoses. Make sure they're properly mounted, secured at both ends, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and they're not leaking. My coolant reservoir, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking, filled to the manufacturer's specifications. My belt-driven water pump, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It's not leaking. The belt's not cracked or frayed. There's between 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of free play. My power steering fluid, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It's not leaking and filled to the manufacturer's specifications. My oil is filled to manufacturer's specifications, checked with the dipstick. Okay, my gear-driven air compressor is tucked away back here. It is properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and not leaking. My gear-driven power steering pump right in front of it, also properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and not leaking. Okay, my gearbox and hoses, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts on the hoses. Steering linkage, okay, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There are no missing castle nuts or cotter pins. My shock absorber, properly mounted, secured at both ends, not cracked, bent, or broken. It's not leaking. My spring hangers, front and rear, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. My spring arm, properly mounted, secured at both ends, not cracked, bent, or broken. My U-bolts, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There's none missing. My brake hose, properly mounted, secured at both ends, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, and not leaking. My brake chamber, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking. My slack adjuster and push rod, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. With the brakes released and pulled by hand, the push rod should not move more than 1 inch. My brake drum, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. My brake lining, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, no oil or debris, and the friction material is not worn dangerously thin. My tire, there's no abrasions, bulges, or cuts to the tread or sidewalls. Tread depth no less than 4/32 of an inch, and it's properly filled to manufacturer's specifications, checked with an air gauge. My rim, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There are no unauthorized welds. My lug nuts, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. None are missing. No rust trails or powder residue, no cracks around the bolt holes. My hub seal, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It's not leaking, and it's properly filled to manufacturer's specifications. That concludes my engine compartment.